Hello, in this video you will get to know how to get an API key for free from Gemini. Okay, so at first type Google AI Studio. Go to this and click on here, get started, and give your email. I'm giving mine. Then give your password. Okay, so now this will be the interface. Now click here at this corner. Click on get API key. If your account is new, you will see a default project here. Here is the default API key, but if you want to create your own API key, then click here, top right corner. Give a random name to your key, my first key. Then select a project. If you don't have any project, click on create project. Give a random name, first project, create project. Wait a bit, it is working. Now click on create key. Okay, so here is your first project. Here is the key. You can click on this key and copy it. Okay, so thank you. That's all. That's your API key.